right, here's what's for dinner. It's a sugar fasting day. We got like, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10 mangoes. May not eat all this, but definitely really close. Sorry, the camera's wobbling. Papaya, probably do about half of that. And some of these really good, nice gold kiwis. So a lot of people are talking a lot about the sugar diet and its benefits. It's getting a lot of people really pissed off because it's very contrary to what most people believe about fat loss and calories and what's possible with being able to burn a lot of fat while eating a ton of food, particularly carbs, simple carbs, that is. The fructose in fruit is actually what kind of makes the magic happen. You don't want to be eating just a bunch of starch, which is like in rice or most vegetables. But the fructose in fruit is really what activates the metabolic rate. Switches on FGF21 and a couple other hormonal signals that make your body believe that it's in somewhat of a protein deficient state, obviously, because you're restricting protein during a sugar fast. And FGF21, which is also activated in a proper keto paradigm, but I digress, can also be activated by MCT oil, but particularly fructose activates FGF21. And this is a key player in how people are eating so many calories coming from sugar and also burning a shit ton of body fat. Bowl number one, bowl number two.